my name is Dellannia, and I am an EEU Student Ambassador. And today we have Professor Hinić-Frlog from Bio 399, the development of small group tutorials for Bio 208 and Bio 209. Professor Hinić-Frlog, can you describe Bio 399 and the remote experiential learning opportunities that it offers?
Hi, Dellannia, absolutely. So this is a research opportunity program in Department of Biology. And this was a small group of 7 students who worked together to design new small group tutorials that we just introduced in those 2 classes, Bio 208 and Bio 209.
How does the remote nature of the course enrich the student experience?
So I think one of the ways the remote nature of the course can enrich the student experiences is by removing some practical barriers. So for example, students had more flexibility in accessing the course meeting sessions from wherever they needed to be. Some of my students joined these virtual sessions while on a break from at work. So this ability to devote themselves to their coursework while maintaining their needed work schedule at the same time would not be possible if we were in person, but it was possible in a remote setting.
What feedback have you received from students?
So students liked this flexibility that I just talked about. In addition, we were also able to create a really close group remotely. So our class meetings always included a dedicated time to just catching up with every group member. And only after that, we would focus on project tasks at hand. So students really appreciated having this space and time to build a safe and supportive remote EL learning environment.
Do you have any advice for students who are considering enrolling in remote EL courses?
Sure. So I would suggest to students to think about what personal advantages a remote EL course offers them. For example, some students may find that they may be able to save some time because they're not commuting as much. So I would then suggest thinking about how they want to, thinking about how they want to use that time. I would also suggest whenever you are kind of faced with these new and maybe unknown challenges, such as remote learning, to embrace the challenge and to think about all the ways that you can learn new things or the same things in a slightly different way.
Thank you, Professor Hinić-Frlog, for providing us this insight. For more information, please visit the EEU website.